With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, this question. Optical communication is prepared to the microwave communication. Microwaves provide large number of channels and bandwidth as compared to the optical signal. Now, the given question is the bandwidth is much more than the bandwidth much larger for optical signal. Now compare to the microwave communication. Now compare to the microwave communication. So now the answer, the optical communication is prepared to microwave communication. It's a wrong. The optical communication is prepared by large number of bandwidth. And second one, the microwaves provide large number of channels and bandwidth compared to the optical signals. It's a wrong. The optical signals is compared to the microwave signal. So both assumption and reason are false. Now the answer D is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.